tweaks based on user feedback, and just to get the system to work really, really well. And like the headline says, you're removing the confusion factors and empowering the community. I really want the guys to get what we've built out, because it's such a powerful application that from face value you don't actually realize what you've got in front of yourself. It's quite a monster. So I want to show the guys it's really easy to use, and I'll just start off going through the notes that is written here. Basically, the silo framework, it rapidly converts your SEO data. Typically, most people get SEO data. You got your search volume, competing pages, page rank, in title, in URL, all that kind of stuff. But since we've sort of changed tack to focus more on the business side of things, we spend a lot of time working on the silo framework, and this is the most important part, because this is like we'll be mapping out the structure of the online business. It's the foundations that everything gets built upon, if you think of it in that point of view. So the benefits of the silo framework screen is it just makes things really, really fast. So I'm going to hop across quickly to DWS and just create a project. And in this presentation, we're just going to run through credit repair. Seeing as everybody's stressed out about recession with Europe collapsing and all the stuff going on, let's look at credit repair and see how we can make some money out of it. So I've logged into DWS, and the first thing I do now, I'm going to create a new cluster. And the cluster screen, the way to use clusters is typically to organize your stuff. You think of them as filing cabinets. So if you've got clients, you can create a cluster called clients, and you can put all your client projects in there, or you can create a cluster for a specific client. So for this exercise, I'm just going to call this credit repair, and I'm just going to call this a credit repair market. And what we want to do in this project is just have a good look and understand what's going on there. And within this cluster, we'll probably create 2 or 3 niche sites focused around the credit market when we actually look at it. So once we created our cluster, now we're going to come to the actual business rules. And you can see within this cluster, we've got no projects yet. So we're going to click on the Add New Project tab. And we're going to start off with credit repair being our primary target keyword that we want to go after. We don't have a domain yet, so I'm just going to put one in. It's a fake one. Okay, stick the blog in. It'll probably be this /blog. And the reason why we put the URLs in over here is later on in the system, when we come talk about the project management stuff, we'll be using those URLs to sort of build out your href tags, but I'll get that later on. So I'm just going to call this profile credit repair. Project type, this is the primary site. This is a free text area where you can fill in whatever you want. You can see it's WR in primary. And here we got our elevator pictures, long, short, a profile picture for a person, and a bio. Sue, do you want to just speak about the elevator pictures over here and just explain to guys what this is for under the social media account detail?
Sure. So my experience